Hello everyone, my name is Marcel Coelho, I'm from Antai, Brazil, and I'm here in China in SNEC 2024 to show to the customers and present a new product of Antai. Okay, here you can see you have a new updation of the products. Is a 2P universals with a new controllers, and these new controllers you can commission by Bluetooth and by cable, and it's a very good option for big installations and very good option for a quickly commissioning. Here you can see that it's very robust products, and the robust products, and at the same time with aggressive price, fit for all the solutions and fit for all the requirements around the world. Okay. Hello all, I'm here again to show that in addition of the trackers, Antai has a big solution for fixed structure and also for rooftop installations. Here you can see some products of Antai, especially for ceramic, especially for wood installations, and in the same way of the trackers, the supports of Antai have a big comfortable and fitable to install in all kinds of roofs, and it's very strong and reliable for all the countries around the world, like the same of the trackers. Okay, thank you, bye bye.